In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Shopify to Etsy. To get started, sign in to your Shopify admin. This is the main dashboard where you manage your store settings, products, and sales channels. When you are connecting Shopify to Etsy, you will typically do it through an integration app. That app acts as the bridge between the two platforms, so make sure you choose the integration you want to use before you begin. Once you are inside Shopify admin, look to the left-hand menu and select Apps. This is where Shopify lists the tools and integrations you can add to your store. From here, use the search bar to search for your chosen integration app. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the correct app, since many apps can have similar names. It also helps to glance at the app listing details so you can recognize you are in the right place before installing. When you are ready, click Install. Shopify will walk you through the standard installation flow. During this part, read the prompts carefully. You are giving the app access to parts of your Shopify store, which is normal for integrations, but it is still important to understand what you are approving. After the app finishes installing, you will be taken into the app interface. Now look for the option that says Connect Etsy Account and click it. This begins the authorization process that allows the app to link your Etsy shop with your Shopify store. A pop-up will appear asking you to log into Etsy. Sign in to the Etsy account that manages the shop you want to connect. Then, when Etsy asks for permission, grant the app access to your Etsy shop data. This permission is required so the integration can communicate with Etsy and properly connect your accounts. If your browser blocks pop-ups, allow pop-ups for this page and try again, since the Etsy login window often opens in a separate pop-up. Once you grant access, the connection process should complete, and your Etsy account will be linked to the app inside Shopify. And that is all there is to it.